Welcome to HD-2MAX Speedlite Official Operation Tutorial. 2.8-inch colorful touchscreen display. Before using the flash, install the battery. Long press the power button for 3 seconds. To turn the light on, touch the power button. To enter the operation menu. On the menu, there are Master Mode, Slave Mode, Speedlight Mode, and Setting. Short press the home button to go back to the main menu. Long press the home button to lock the screen. Short press the home button again to go back to the menu. Short press the test button to check whether the light works properly or not. Choose the Speedlight mode. In this mode, the light can only be triggered via the hot shoe on camera. Connect the flash to the camera. Touch the camera brand icon to choose the brand of the camera connected. Camera shutter can trigger the light directly if connection is completed. Touch the SYNC icon to switch the shooting mode among rear curtain, front curtain, and high-speed sync, HSS. Touch the power number. To adjust the output power, choose the master mode. In this mode, light can become a flash transmitter to control other subordinate lights. Touch the wireless icon. Choose the matched camera through-end icon. Wireless communication of Canon, Sony, Nikon, Fuji, Panasonic, and Olympus. Touch CH icon to set the channel from 1 to 31. Different channels guarantee the signal of lights in adjacent sites will not be disturbed. The proportion mode of the modeling lamp, in which the brightness of the modeling lamp will change in accordance with the output power of the flash. The individual mode of the modeling lamp, which consists of 1, 2, 3 grade. Flash mode. M is manual mode. Dash is sleep mode. TTL is TTL auto flash mode. Touch the SYNC icon to switch the shooting mode among rear curtain, front curtain, and high-speed sync, HSS. Zooming icon. Adjust the zoom range from 0 to 5 through and icon. On-camera flash switch. In master mode, the on-camera light can be turned on/off manually for flash or not. Choose the slave mode. In this mode, the flashlight is in subordinate status, in which the light can be remotely controlled by other transmitters. Touch the wireless icon. Set the wireless receiver mode through and CH/GR corresponds to TRV6 transmitter. TTLALL corresponds to TRQ7 transmitter. CRT. Canon ZGB transmit. TTLF corresponds to TRQ6 transmitters Fuji signal. TTLS corresponds to TRQ6 transmitters Sony signal. TTLN corresponds to TRQ6 transmitters Nikon signal. TTLC corresponds to TRQ6 transmitters Canon signal. CH corresponds to TRSV transmitter. Touch the CH icon to set the channel from 01 to 31. Take channel 01 as an example. Touch GR icon to set the group from A to I, 16 groups in all. Take group A and TRQ7 transmitter as an example. When the channel and group shown on the screen are matched with those on the transmitter, the light can be controlled by the transmitter. Switch between manual mode and TTL mode. Choose the setting icon. Backlight is for changing the screen's brightness from 1 to 5. Sleep mode. Sleeping time is 1.5 or 20 minutes. SYNCS. Single pin contactor mode. OFF equals hot shoe works in TTL and HSS. On equals hot shoe works in single pin contactor status. Beep. The buzzing beep is to indicate the completion of recycling. ID setting. To check the status and value of the ID in CRT situation. AF, focus assist function. Camera brand setting. When a brand is on, the related icon will appear on the page of master/slave/speedlight mode. When off, it will disappear. Freeze mode. When freeze mode is on, the related icon will appear in the page of master/slave/speedlight mode as well. The freeze mode will turn off automatically when high-speed sync, HSS, to restore the light into X factory setting or reset all the current settings. That is the guide of HD-2MAX Speedlite. Thank you for your watching.